Oh my god. This is paraffin oil. So we are going to be using 250 mils of paraffin oil. So this one is 30 mils. So I'm adding 250 mils. This is 250 mils of paraffin oil. Then also we are going to use 250 grams of petroleum jelly. This is our petroleum jelly. This is petroleum jelly. Then we are going to put paraffin wax. This is the paraffin wax. So I'm going to add more.
Okay.
And the next thing is shea butter. Puri. Lanolin. 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 Now we allow everything to melt. Then you stir. This one is mento crystal. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Industrial camphor is also an anti-dandruf. Now we are going to put up the fire. So while we put up the fire, we are going to add our peppermint oil. It's also an anti-dandruff. This is oil-based color yellow. So we are going to add little to this. We are going to add our coconut oil. Our honey. And we stir them together. Then we are going to put our egg whites. This is our egg whites. Going to mix. So we are going to put our fragrance. We are using lavender fragrance here. So we are done. We leave it to solidify.